In this section, we will look at how the G7 leaders agreed to tighten sanctions against Russia and provide advanced military equipment to Ukraine to help it defend its sovereignty and territorial integrity. The G7 summit in Hiroshima was a crucial opportunity for Ukraine to gain international support for its fight against Russian aggression. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky attended the summit in person, meeting with several world leaders and taking part in 2 sessions on Sunday. One session focused on the war in Ukraine, and the other on peace and stability. The G7 leaders issued a strong statement on Friday, condemning Russia's brutal war of aggression and urging it to withdraw its troops and military equipment from Ukraine. They also announced further sanctions and measures to increase the costs to Russia and those who are supporting its war effort. The sanctions are designed to disrupt the Kremlin's ability to get the materials it needs for the battlefield, close loopholes used to evade sanctions, further reduce international reliance on Russian energy, and narrow Moscow's access to the international financial system. The G7 countries also called on other countries to stop providing material support to Russia's aggression or face severe costs. One of the most significant outcomes of the summit was the announcement by U.S. President Joe Biden that he supported training Ukrainian pilots on U.S.-made F-16 fighter jets, a precursor to eventually providing those aircraft to Ukraine. This would improve Ukraine's air defense capabilities and deter further Russian attacks. Zelensky welcomed Biden's decision as historic and thanked him for his leadership and solidarity. He also met with other leaders, such as British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Italian Premier Giorgia Meloni, and briefed them on Ukraine's peace plan, which calls for the withdrawal of Russian troops from the country before any negotiations. The G7 summit was a significant boost for Ukraine's diplomatic efforts and a clear signal of the international community's commitment to support its sovereignty and territorial integrity. The G7 leaders vowed to stand together against Russia's illegal, unjustifiable, and unprovoked war of aggression against Ukraine, and said they would not waver in their support until peace is restored.